During the Second World War, the London Underground became a safe haven from the Luftwaffe air raids, but not everybody survived. On the 3rd of March 1943, as the sirens sounded, about 1,700 people marched down into Bethnal Green tube station. A short time later, some of the people claimed to have heard a loud whirring noise, and fearing a direct hit on the station, they panicked and raced for the stairs. But the steps were slippery, and soon there was a crush, a human domino effect. In total, about 173 people died, many of them children. To this day, it's claimed that sometimes you can hear the wails of women and the screams of terrified children echoing from the afterlife. True story.